I have to thank Mr. Prakashivam, the head priest over here, who sent me the invitation. It was great to participate in the event. Unfortunately, I missed the firewalking. I came right towards the end. It was great to meet everybody and also to see the ceremonies. I mean, this is what makes Fiji quite unique. And indeed, this is the sort of multiplicity of different, cultures. We have different faiths, different beliefs. It is this sort of cauldron of different faiths, which is fantastic for Fiji, obviously. And we see, of course, now, as you mentioned, 97 years of fireworking ceremony, 92 years of fireworking ceremony. And of course, it's great. I mean, people of, you see the people of different backgrounds were here to also witness it. And this is the wonderful thing about Fiji. And I'd like to, of course, thank the organizers for this. They've been at it for the past 92 years. And as you know, this temple in Howell Road is also quite a gathering spot of people, and there are people, of course, outside from Suva. So it's a wonderful opportunity, great opportunity to also share the different rituals and get to see it, get to know about it, and it's a wonderful occasion.